And it goes a little something like.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My speech is about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a significant environmental issue in the Philippines. And as a concerned citizen, I feel compelled to address it. Our country generates approximately 2.7 million tons of plastic waste annually, an estimate 20% entering our oceans. This alarming statistic places the Philippines among the top contributes to marine plastic pollution globally. The impact of plastic pollution are far-reaching. Marine life suffer as animals in geese for become entangled in plastic debris, leading to injury and death. Additionally, microplastic have infiltrated our food chain, posing potential health risks to humans. Addressing this issue requires collective action. Believe that implementing and enforcing stricter regulation on plastic production and waste management is crucial. Public awareness campaign can educate citizens on the importance of reducing plastic use, adopting sustainable alternatives. Moreover, supporting initiatives like the Extended Producer Responsibility Act can hold manufacturers accountable for the life cycle of their products.